Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Fnba mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Fnba is a mobile banking app designed to give users secure and convenient access to their accounts. The app offers features such as checking balances, transferring funds, paying bills, mobile check deposits, and tracking spending. It also includes security measures like biometric login, encryption, and customizable account alerts to protect user information. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its intuitive interface, quick navigation, and the ability to manage banking tasks on the go. Many find mobile check deposits and instant fund transfers particularly useful, while real-time notifications help users stay on top of their finances. The app syncs seamlessly across devices, allowing for a smooth banking experience. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login difficulties or temporary service interruptions. Advanced features may be limited compared to desktop banking, and certain account types may not have full functionality on the app. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Fnba mobile banking app may be worth using if you want a secure, convenient, and mobile-friendly way to manage your finances. It excels in accessibility, essential banking functions, and security. However, if you need full desktop-level functionality or specialized account services, you may encounter some limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.